Sam from Applied Concepts here. At Applied we have a range of diesel compressors from 105 CFM up to 425 CFM. Here we have 4 of our 105 CFM and a 175. The 105 CFM, the smaller side of our range, perfect for smaller blasting jobs, headstones, that kind of work. Then you also have jackhammers, the civil side of it, blowing down machinery, perfect smaller type compressor, easy to move around, a very lightweight chassis. She's powered by a 3-cylinder diesel Perkins engine. Nice accessible filters for changing them out, blowing down the radiators. This machine, as with all of our compressors, has an air dryer aftercooler. Nice large diesel tank, water cooled. From the 105 then, next size up is our 175 CFM. The 175 is 7 bar pressure, 175 CFM. Again, powered by a 4-cylinder Perkins diesel engine, water cooled, and an air dryer as standard. This machine, be it a 175, 105, we do anything up to the very large compressors. If you're interested in any of these machines, you can contact us on 086 082 8835 or sam@appliedpi.com.